Hello everyone, welcome to Scholars Academia. We will be continuing with the circle chapter series with question number 6. As always, observation is very important, so stay tuned until the end and let's get started. In the given figure, this is the figure, A, B, C are 3 points on the circumference of a circle. See, A, B, C are on the circumference of the circle with center O. Arc AB, this arc AB is 2 arc BC. That means this is twice the arc BC. Angle AOB is given as 108 degrees. Calculate angle BOC, angle OAB, angle OAC and angle BAC. For the solution, again we will be dividing the questions into 4 parts as 4 angles are given. So first part will be find angle BOC. Check where angle BOC lies. It lies under this part of the circle and we know that arc AB is equal to 2 arc BC. So I'll write here arc AB equal to 2 arc BC. Therefore, what would happen? Arc AB comes under this angle AOB. So I'll write angle AOB equal to 2 angle arc BC lies under this angle BOC. Angle BOC. Therefore, angle AOB is given 108 degrees. So substitute angle AOB as 108 degrees equal to 2 angle BOC. Now 108 upon 2 equal to angle BOC. So I get angle BOC as 54 degrees. 2 ones are 2 fives are and 4 times. Angle BOC equal to 54 degrees. So BOC is 54 degrees. First part is done. Continuing with the second part of the question. Find OAB. So find angle OAB. Again observe where angle OAB lies. OAB lies in this triangle. So I'll draw this triangle over here. OAB. This is 108 degrees. These are radius. OA and OB are radii of the circle. So base angles will be X. Starting with the radii of the circle, OA equal to OB radii. Therefore, angle OAB equal to angle OBA. OAB equal to angle OBA equal to X degrees. Now, in triangle OAB, I have OAB plus angle OBA plus angle AOB equal to 180 degrees, and you know what is the reason. You can comment down below the reason for 180 degrees. So OAB will be X degrees plus OBA is X plus AOB is 108 degrees. That is 2x equal to 180 minus 108. 2x equal to, this becomes 72. X equal to 72 upon 2, that is 2 ones are 3 times and 6 times. X becomes 36 degrees. Here X, that is OAB, is also 36 degrees. Angle OAB equal to 36 degrees. This is the second part of the question. Moving on to the next part, third part. Find angle OAC. Again, check where this angle lies. OAC is somewhat like this. So I can make this triangle OAC. Now if you see, angle O is made up of two angles, AOB and BOC, and we know BOC is 54 degrees. So I can have AOC by adding 108 plus 54 degrees. So first we'll find out angle AOC. Angle AOC equal to angle AOB plus angle BOC. That is 108 plus 54 degrees. This becomes 162 degrees. Angle AOC is 162 degrees. OA and OC are radii of the circle, so base angles will be X. Now taking OA equal to OC, that is radii, and angles OAC equal to angle OCA equal to X degrees. So in triangle AOC, I have angle OAC plus angle OCA plus angle AOC equal to 180 degree. Now X plus 162 equal to 180 degrees. 2x equal to 180 minus 162. So I get here as 180. 2x equal to, this becomes 18 degrees. X equal to 18 upon 2, 9 degrees. That is angle OAC. Here OAC, that is X, that is 9 degrees. This is third part of the question. Now for BAC, that is the fourth part. Look where BAC lies in the diagram. BAC is this part of the diagram. So I'll draw the diagram over here. It's somewhat like this. This is A, O, C, B, and we know we need to find BAC, that is this part of the triangle. We have OAC as 9 degrees and the whole OAB bigger angle as 36 degrees. This is 36 degrees. So I can find angle BAC easily. Now angle OAB is made up of two small angles, angle OAC and angle BAC. OAC plus angle BAC. I have angle OAB as 36 and OAC is 9 degrees. I need angle BAC. 36 minus 9 equal to angle BAC. That is angle BAC equal to 27 degrees. This is the end of the sum. So similar question is given in the solved example section of the textbook. You can solve that as a practice question. Also subscribe to the channel and thank you for watching.